We will download cc65 and search it from Google cc65 and then go to the main page and find the source code. No need, just the Windows snapshot. Source code is the code you can compile, and then you can search how to install and configure Windows from the wiki. In fact, you just follow my demo. So click there's some links. So for now, we from here Windows snapshot, then it will download Windows 32 here, and you just delete the repeated one. Delete it, and then just unzip the Win32. In fact, you can use Win64. Okay, just copy it and delete my previous one. That's one is I used, so for demo I just delete it and then copy and rename it cc65, and here now we can enter it from command, just in Windows, and find the cmd, run cmd, and cd disk, cd cc65, and cd bin. Then we will see all the files we need here. Later we will use this to compile our source code.